I'm John. I work for Ideal Homes here in Portugal in the lovely southern Algarve. We are at Ideal Homes promoting open house properties. So maybe you've got a property you want to list, contact us, we can put it on. Every Saturday we are going to promote one property from 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock Greenwich Mean Time, and that's either by a virtual tour or in person. You can come here between those hours, 4 and 7 o'clock. I'll be here, open house remember, showing you the properties. Contact the staff, they'll book you in, and I look forward to meeting you. This will be our first house here in Ferreiras of the open house, so stay tuned every Saturday. Remember, 4 o'clock till 7 o'clock. We'll be here showing you open houses all across the Algarve. Today we're in Ferreiras, as I said, a beautiful quinta. Quinta is Portuguese for farmhouse. It's been converted and refurbished. It offers 3+1 bedrooms. It's on the market normally at 359,000 euros. If you buy it on the open house, we can do it for 345,000 euros. Put your reservation in, secure the deal, and you've got a bargain.